Hi, tonight I will be giving my math technology presentation on Math Portal. Math Portal is a free math website. It has free calculator lesson plans, math tests, and formulas. The calculators on Math Portal vary with each level. There are 20 different calculator types. For example, there are financial calculators where students can practice simple money adding and subtracting, but also more difficult financial skills, such as figuring out percentages. There are calculators that help students identify the least and greatest common factors. In the higher level, there are calculators that can be used when solving calculus problems. The formulas are broken down into following subcategories: algebraic formulas, function formulas, analytic geometry formulas, limits and derivatives, integration formulas, definite integrals, series formulas, and most popular formulas. There are also options to download a PDF on different formulas. This page is easily accessible and user-friendly. Here you can find math lessons on learning algebra, calculus, analytic geometry, and linear algebra. Examples and solved problems are included in every lesson. In each lesson, not only are there step-by-step models, there are different level problems, with problems number one being more basic than number two. This is this this build this builds a different differentiation in each lesson. More than 70 online math tests with 800 questions, which are classified into 23 categories. Tests are designed in which a way to instigate the student to use logic and to understand the matter to solve the most tests, not using a calculator. After the practice exam is completed, tests will be auto graded, and you can then view the scoreboard. You will be able to see which questions you answered correctly and which you got wrong, along with the correct answer. This way, you can access which areas you need to review. Benefits of those with disabilities. First, the target mathematic concept is to focus on activity. For example, Math Portal is designed to teach and to test one's concept at a time. You click on a specific skill, and then you can choose which type of numbers you want to practice that skill with. For example, if you're practicing linear expressions, you can choose to practice with whole numbers. Most kids who may have a math learning disability need to learn, practice, and master one concept at a time. Next, Math Portal is a very user is very excuse me very user friendly. It is easy to navigate because the page is not overcrowded. Everything is clearly labeled, and it prompts you to make your next choice after one click. For example, when you are doing practice problems, you can click a button to turn on the calculator that is very visible. Sometimes when things look complicated, students who already are experiencing learn helplessness with automatically giving up. I do think this is the case with Math Portal. I do not think this is the case for Math Portal. Next, students are provided with many response opportunities. A lot of students with math learning disabilities need multiple chances to practice before mastering is expected. In this lessons, there are multiple chances for practice in a single lesson. Before each practice question is a step-by-step model of how to solve the problem. Additionally, when taking the test, students are given an option to practice the test before taking it. Although students are not provided with immediate feedback when taking the test does show students where they went wrong with their answers and keep tracks of all the correct answers on the scoreboard. It also sets goals for students where the students should be performing in the next test to help the students stay engaged and be motivated. Overall, I think this can be used as a resource for students and teachers. Going back to our previous lesson with math anxiety and parents being able to help their kids, I think this would be an awesome website to assign kids to use and practice at home. It provides such clear step-by-step examples of how to solve the problem that parents and students could use the models. It also provides free access to a variety of resources, including calculators. Most notably, this program breaks up math into single skills, which is beneficial for students with math learning disabilities. Thank you for listening to my presentation today.